Jack Frost. What's going on, Jack? Oh, you thought I was gonna go away, huh? You thought that I was gonna be that dude, right? BBN. What network? What network? You don't know how to network, Jack. I'm gonna get inside 2 minutes so I can talk about you. I don't hate you, Jack. I don't hate you, Jack. Nope, no hate in my heart. You're just another man like me. I don't hate you. But some people might. I'm not one of them, so I don't hate you. But we are going to get into a few things, since you like to chitter chatter. Check it out, man. You had a woman in there today. You had a woman in your live chat this morning named Nikki Love. She was riding for you hard, bro. I don't know how else to say it, man. She was riding for you hard. And this is the very first time that I could ever say, hey, look, this right here is how he does, and this right here is wrong. You know what? I don't understand you, man. You're whacked out or something, bro. Because you think the world's against you, Jack. You're not cool enough for the world to be against you, my man. Take a step back, look in the mirror. You're not cool enough for the world to be against you. Why would they be against you, Jack? I don't understand it, man. I don't understand it. Somebody else came in, said 6'9". Ugh. So what, man? You say 6'9" all the time, Jack. They can't have a difference of opinion and say, hey, you've been talking about it a little too much. That's when the timeout button works, bud. Right there. That's when the timeout button works. Time them out. If they say anything else, then boot them or something. That's how that works, Jack. So we're going to get back into that. Teaching you how to use the timeout button, boss. Man. Team Slurp? Oh, yeah. Team Slurp. Team Slurp. And you do a little dance or some shit like a little child. Team Slurp, is that all you got, man? Everybody's on your dick? LOL, that's funny. That is funny. Everybody's on your dick, Jack. When you're the one jumping on here using TikTok videos that someone else made for your content. Damn. I understand it's fair use. You're allowed. But don't you think you're gypping your people? You're getting lazy, Jack. You're getting lazy, boss. We see it. Only you've pissed off enough people to where I think I fucking should stand up and say something. And I'm going to. I'm gonna ride your ass, Jack. I'm not going nowhere, bro. That's what I'm here for. That's what I came to YouTube for, man. I got tired of seeing people like you on here say something and do another thing. Or say something and actually do that thing that just is downright terrible to people. You had the thing about baiting and lying. Baiting and lying. Baiting and lying are two different things. They don't coexist. They're not synonymous. Sir, do you understand what the word baiting means? Baiting means that you are putting a lure, something fake, out into the earth or whatever to catch something, right? I mean, that's what a normal human being would say. That's what baiting is. Then you can switch it and say whatever you want it is off of that and say, okay, whatever, this is how I'm going to use the term. But that's lying. I mean, the definition of baiting is damn near lying. You're lying about it just to get it. But you said they couldn't go synonymous. But you can use lies or truth to bait. Well, that right there makes them synonymous, sir. I could kill you at your own logic, day after day after day. You know, you talk all this shit about, you know, these people trolling you. I'm not a troll, man. I'm not hiding who I am. I know who I am. I know what I've done in my past. I know what I am, and I stand on it. The last trouble I was in was 12 years ago, boss. I am mighty proud to say that I am a changed man, and I can prove it. But see, when you have nothing to hide, you don't have to lie. You can't bust me out on something that I feel good about. See, you want everybody to believe that everybody's on your dick, sir. You don't even wash your pants. Them same old Levi's over and over again with that bullshit material military style belt that you could pick up at any dollar store for a couple bucks. Don't even hold your pants up, Jack. They don't even hold your pants up, bro. Your shit's inside out by your pant loop, man. Fix all that. Since we're riding your dick, fix it. But I'm not riding your dick. I'm here to ask the questions like, what's this with Just 2.0 to begin with? Let's cover that one, Jack. I've never spoken to Just 2.0. I don't know the man, but I know there's enough controversy behind it. Why wouldn't the content creator fix it? Why wouldn't the content creator attack the fucking thing head on and get his audience on the right path? Instead of saying someone's lying, cheating him, getting in his way. You're getting in your own way, bro. Getting in your own way, man. You're just getting in your own way, bro. And you booted a woman today, bro. That's what's sad. You booted a woman that was riding for you. And because someone else said something, you said, I'm just going to get them all out of here. And she was one of them. How do you think that feels, man? I think you know how it feels because there's enough people that don't want you around. They don't want you in their presence. You're iffy to them. You're kind of off so they can't judge you well. Fix your wrongs, Jack. Be a man. Ain't that what you say you are? Be a big boy. And while you're at it, pull up your britches. Pull up your britches, fix your belt before you come on camera, on and off camera. You look like... I'm not going to say it, man, because I respect a lot of different people, but you look crazy, bro. You look crazy. You subscribers over there, I don't know what the hell y'all thinking, man. I don't know what in the world y'all are thinking. Y'all come over here. You can say whatever you want in my chat. Once I get going live, it's going to be on and popping. And hey, Jack, you're doing it all wrong, man, so you got to get out of the way. Get out of the way, man. You're ruining it for a lot of people that are just like you that are really trying to do it, honestly. You're making them look bad. You're in the way, man. Because if you're not going to right your wrongs that people have with you, no one ever is going to deal with you, man. No one's ever going to deal with you until you right the wrongs you have because you've got enough of them. It's in the public space, man. And I would come on your show. Or you can come on mine and we can talk about it. Man to man. But you won't do that. You will not do that. But if you want, we can. I bet 10 sentences wouldn't get off before you were lying. But see, someone strategic like me, I wouldn't come on your show alone. Because you've already said it. The difference between a liar and someone telling the truth, the liar mostly wins. So I would never just come alone. Someone would have to come to narrate that damn thing. And let the truth be told. And then let's attack it head on, Jack. That's where you start. See, I'm not giving up on you. I don't like to see people fail. But I'm going to criticize your ass. Because you're doing people wrong, man. People donate to you. And then 3 weeks later, you've got them kicked off your channel. Why would you kick anybody off that's donating to you, man? Are you seriously that lost? Go get help then. Like, comment, subscribe. Because we ain't over here. We're aggressive defiance. We're going to attack things head on. Aggressive defiance. Because you keep coming with that bullshit, Jack. You keep coming with that bullshit. You're faking the fraud.